Today we're making the perfect low-carb snack that will help fuel you for all of your fun activities, or you can pack it in your kids' lunch. Hi, I'm Annie from KetoFocus.com, and today I've teamed up with ChocZero to show you how to make a keto raspberry white chocolate granola bar. Let's get started. These keto granola bars are very simple to make. They're filled with a bunch of different nuts and seeds, and the best part is that you can customize it based off of whatever nuts and seeds that you can have or whatever you have lying around in your pantry. We're gonna flavor it with ChocZero's white chocolate baking chips along with some fresh raspberries. To start, in a large bowl, we're gonna whisk together 1 cup of almond flour, a half a cup of chopped pecans, a half a cup of pumpkin seeds, a half a cup of roasted sunflower seeds, a 1/3 cup of fresh raspberries. I like to break my raspberries up a little bit just so that they're in smaller chunks. A 1/3 cup of ChocZero's white chocolate baking chips. These baking chips are sugar-free and they're sugar alcohol-free. A 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and then to hold it all together, we're gonna be using ChocZero's vanilla syrup. All you need is 1/3 cup of vanilla syrup in here. Mix that together until everything's combined, and then we're gonna spoon it out onto a baking dish. I've lined this 8x10 baking dish with some parchment paper and then sprayed it down too with some cooking spray so our granola bars don't stick to the bottom or the sides. And then after it's evenly spooned out all over the dish, I'm gonna take a spatula, spray the back of the spatula with some cooking spray, and then help flatten down the top of the mixture. This will create an even flat top for our granola bars, and that cooking spray will keep the granola mixture from sticking to your spatula. Next, we're gonna bake this in a 300-degree oven for around 30 to 40 minutes. Once they're done baking, take them out, let them cool for around 15 to 20 minutes before cutting into them. I like to drizzle these crispy granola bars with some additional melted white chocolate. Make sure you tag us, ChocZero, with all of your photos of your keto white chocolate raspberry granola bars.